Cheesemaking is an ancient practice. Its origins can be traced back to the Fertile Crescent. This region, known for its agricultural innovations, witnessed the birth of cheese. Around 8000 BCE, Neolithic farmers made a remarkable discovery. They found that milk left in warm conditions transformed. The milk coagulated, separating into curds and whey. This marked the earliest form of cheesemaking. This discovery was significant for several reasons. Cheese provided a way to preserve milk. It extended the nutritional value of a perishable resource. This was crucial for survival, especially during famines or harsh winters. Cheese quickly became a valuable food source for these early farmers. The exact circumstances of this discovery are unknown. However, it is believed to be accidental. Perhaps a farmer stored milk in an animal's stomach. The rennet, an enzyme found in the stomach lining, could have caused coagulation. This happy accident led to a culinary revolution. Cheesemaking spread throughout the region. It laid the foundation for a beloved food tradition that continues today. Cheesemaking rapidly spread from its birthplace. It became a staple in various early civilizations. Evidence suggests that cheese was already a traded commodity by the Bronze Age. This period saw cheese traveling across the eastern Mediterranean. It reached new cultures and palates, further solidifying its place as a valuable food. In Mesopotamia, cheese held both culinary and religious significance. Ancient records detail cheese quotas. These records indicate the existence of different cheese types. This suggests a sophisticated understanding of cheese-making techniques. Cheese was more than just food, it was integrated into the very fabric of Mesopotamian society. The use of rennet also emerged around this time. Rennet, an enzyme derived from animal stomachs, revolutionized cheesemaking. It provided greater control over coagulation. This resulted in the development of harder, longer-lasting cheeses. The introduction of rennet marked a significant advancement in cheesemaking technology. As cheesemaking journeyed across the globe, it encountered diverse cultures and environments. This led to a fascinating array of cheesemaking techniques and flavors. Each region adapted cheesemaking to its unique resources and preferences. This resulted in a world of cheese, each variety reflecting its place of origin. The Mongolians, living in harsh climates, developed hard, sun-dried cheese wedges. They used yak's milk, a readily available resource in their environment. In contrast, the ancient Egyptians enjoyed a softer cheese. They created a fresh, crumbly cheese from goat's milk, straining it through reed mats. This demonstrated their resourcefulness and adaptation of cheesemaking to their local environment. In South Asia, a different method of coagulation emerged. Instead of rennet, cheesemakers used lemon juice, vinegar, or yogurt. This resulted in paneer, a fresh cheese widely used in South Asian cuisine. The Greeks favored brined cheeses like feta. They also produced harder cheeses similar to pecorino romano, showcasing their mastery of diverse cheesemaking techniques. The Romans, known for their practicality, developed cassius aridus. This hard, dry cheese served as a durable ration for their soldiers, demonstrating the adaptability of cheese for various purposes. Medieval European monasteries significantly contributed to cheesemaking. Benedictine monks pioneered various techniques and recipes. Their dedication led to renowned cheeses like Parmesan and Roquefort. Monasteries became centers of cheesemaking excellence. The Industrial Revolution shifted cheesemaking to factories. Mass production made cheese more accessible. Today, the world produces 22 billion kilograms of cheese annually. Cheese remains a testament to human ingenuity and love for this diverse food.